swing it. It's not good. I don't think that's going to fit. Safety first with the fireworks. We could put it on top of one of these. That might be amusing. Fuse. Put it on top of that and watch as chaos ensues. Going by past experiences of fireworks, as we well know on my channel, isn't the best way to go. But I mean, these are the same thing. So yeah, I think we should put the car on top of this and then watch as the fireworks come towards us, because it deflects them or knocks it over.
Yeah.
That's a good idea, I think. Let's get the fuse ready. Oh yeah. That's a big fuse, that. Well, boom car part 4. You are right, this isn't going to go wrong at all. Oh, better look at that, mate. It's not very well balanced at all. But nonetheless, where's the fuse? There. I've set fire to the packet. That's a fuse. I don't know where it's gonna. I have literally no idea. It's gonna fire towards us. You what? Fucking Jesus Christ. Where's the car? I was not expecting that. You know, I said it was going to be accidental when we blow the car up.
Where's it
gone? Look at that. It's... Oh my God. Lost a bit of paint on the wheel. I did not expect that to be...
Boom car actually went boom.
Boom car went boom.